So let's break down where Utah stands when it comes to the coronavirus outbreak. By the numbers also, the Utah Department of Health says there are currently 21 Utah residents confirmed with COVID-19, 7 non-Utah residents who have tested positive in Utah, so they're here visiting and they're counted in their state's numbers, even though they are here. 3 of the Salt Lake County patients are under 18. 2 of them attended school last week with symptoms, we're told. Starting today, Utah's public schools are canceled in terms of classes. Buildings are closed to most activities to slow the spread of COVID-19. The Utah system of higher education, meanwhile, is closing college and university campuses, and many local government offices have closed public buildings, including recreation centers, libraries, and senior centers. Well, today, Salt Lake City leaders and restaurant owners revealed the economic impact that they are seeing because of COVID-19. Tamara Vaifanua joins us live with a breakdown of what was said just moments ago. Tamara, some kind of stark numbers and news in that news conference, but show a solidarity too.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Max. Solidarity, definitely, and also really just setting things in perspective. As you can imagine, it's been really devastating for Salt Lake City businesses, for their employees. They really are the backbone of this community. It's really what makes this community work. So they are right now seeing a devastating economic impact, and that's what this meeting was all about earlier today. You know, with fewer people dining out and visiting the city because of COVID-19 concerns, the economic impact is certainly taking a toll. The governor announced this morning the formation of a economic response task force who will collaborate with the state COVID-19 task force already in place. Now, Governor Herbert says the Department of Workforce Services here in Utah can help those who have lost their jobs or if they've had their hours reduced because of this. There's also temporary relief for business owners who are struggling and may be forced to close.
We know that 76% of businesses that responded have seen a decrease in revenue more than 10%. It's also important information for us, and it's disheartening at this time. But we need the information to be able to adapt and respond.
Mayor Mendenhall was referring to a survey that she put out to local business owners. She says that she will ask the City Council for $1 million to help local businesses offset the loss of revenue caused by the coronavirus pandemic. Of course, they will continue to track the trends, the needs of businesses and their workers in the days, weeks ahead. There will be many questions that will pop up due to unforeseen circumstances. Now, Governor Herbert says that this new task force will hopefully help where they can, but he adds that the government can't do it all. It will be up to all of us to do what we can, one being practicing social distancing. Live in Salt Lake City, Tamara Vaifanua, Fox 13 News, Utah.